Hello, welcome to today's session of Fix It Friday, where we show you how you can improve processes and data flow within your SAP Business One environment. This week, we're reviewing and looking at production scheduling. SAP Business One has added production route into the production orders. And with this, we can now get a little bit of visibility into planning of the dates. So if we go into SAP Business One here, and if we have a look, you can see that you can have these dates over here of the start and end dates of when work's going to be performed. The problem with it is that SAP Business One did not provide any production reports per se, other than the open item list report, in order to see what's exactly going on, what status is complete, what status is in progress, which status is behind. Those types of things were not considered in the report stack. So our customer kind of asked us to help them out and get them a little bit more visibility, because what was happening is they were having a 30-minute meeting every day, just updating a whiteboard in an office of the status of each of the work centers, of what status they're at, is it completed, so on and so forth. And then admin would pick up the pieces of that and update everything in SAP Business One. So the information in SAP Business One was always behind by about a day. So what we did is we said, well, why not just take a calendar report of that data and give you the visibility to exactly what's going on. And they don't necessarily care a whole bunch about the production order numbers. They care more about what departments are doing what and what the status is, just so that they can have a quick view. So this production calendar report here now shows them the order of what they're working on and the status of it. So you can see here the status is complete, the status is in progress. If we just go over to the next month, you can see that we have some overlapping things, and that's why we have the ability to filter it out to assembly, for example, and you can see exactly what assembly is doing on a particular period of time. The calendar report also is available in a list view, so you can quickly see in a list view exactly what's going on. We also went back and we kind of said, well, that's kind of nice that you can view it, but it would be nice if the users on the shop floor could update the information so that we don't have to have a look at it and still have our 30-minute meeting and just updating SAP Business One instead of a whiteboard. So what we did is we just added a quick drop-in here off of the calendar report, and from here in a single click, they can go in and see the stage status of that production order, and they can pick the status here, and they can simply just go in and change that status. So here they can go in and change that status to complete or in progress, and that will update SAP Business One in a real-time fashion. We also built a sequence status report for them, just so they can go in and not have to filter and drill into all of those different areas. They can just simply quickly go in here, update the status of that particular route sequence, and from there it interacts with SAP Business One in a real-time fashion. So you can see the benefits of this are certainly increased productivity of the shop employees, because we've reduced all this meeting time. Production management also now has visibility to what's going on. Material management, so supply chain visibility of knowing when to have materials in, all of that's lining up with the plan. And because everything's getting updated in SAP Business One in a real-time fashion, inventory levels and the work in process are all accurate. The list of use cases that you can do with Versago and Bizweaver to streamline and improve your processes in your organization is endless. Please feel free to contact us if you have something that you would like us to show you. We may have already done it, or we might profile it in a video like this, or have a one-on-one session with you.